Moving on now to some another news coming from Bihar at this point in time. Bihar DGP Gupteshwar Pandey has taken voluntary retirement from service. The Bihar governor has also accepted the request of Pandey seeking VRS from services. Shyam is joining us in the broadcast. More on the Shyam, good morning. What is the reason that this sudden retirement has been announced by Gupteshwar Pandey?
Well, certainly it is being said that he is likely to take a political plunge, and that is the reason why he is taking this VRS from the police services. Now the governor's house has also accepted the recommendation. It's been said that Gupteshwar Pandey might contest the upcoming elections, which is due in Bihar. It is being said the questions were being raised by the opposition as well prior to his resignation as well. But now one thing is clear, and it's been said that Gupteshwar Pandey might contest the upcoming elections as an NDA candidate. That is what is being said. Now, certainly time will tell as to what Gupteshwar Pandey will be doing, but the one thing is for sure that before the date of retirement, he has taken this VRS certainly for fingers towards that, because even earlier he had, in 2009, he wanted to contest elections. Even that time he had taken VRS, but since that time he was not given a ticket, so he had returned back to his services. But this time certainly he has taken his VRS, and it is being expected that in the upcoming elections, Gupteshwar Pandey might certainly take this political plunge.
All right, Shyam, appreciate you joining us with all of those details. Meanwhile, Team Riya has hit back at Bihar DGP. Riya's lawyer has issued a statement, and I quote, "The request for VRS by DGP Bihar Gupteshwar Pandey and granting VRS by Bihar government and the union government in 24 hours is as fast as the Bihar government transfer of FIR against Riya Chakravarti to CBI and acceptance of it by the union government." Now, this is not justice for Sushant Singh Rajput, but justice for Gupteshwar Pandey, unquote. So that's the statement that has been issued by the lawyer of Riya Chakravarti. Let's go across to Arunil joining us on the broadcast this morning. Arunil, good morning. In fact, a strong statement coming from Riya's lawyer after Bihar DGP has taken a VRS.
Well, that is right. A Team Riya, in fact, has hit back at the former Bihar DGP Gupteshwar Pandey, saying that this is not justice for Sushant, but this is justice for Gupteshwar Pandey, the Bihar DGP, because the electricity that in which the central government has granted him VRS to contest elections, it raises questions. This is the same 24 hours in which a CBI probe, the case was given to CBI of the Sushant Singh Rajput, but the questions are being raised from Team Riya, saying that because he had political ambitions, that's why he was making these statements in the favor of Sushant Singh Rajput, who's basically a local boy from Bihar. Team Riya clearly hitting out at the Bihar DGP for taking a VRS and wanting to contest elections.